This is the Chapter 3 overview in which you'll focus on formatting slides. The first thing you'll focus on is applying character formatting. Character formatting is applied through the font group on the Home tab or the font dialog box. By character formatting, this means that the change is made to each character. If you want it applied to more than one character, you have to select all the characters that you want it applied to. For instance, if we want to apply to the word apply in the Home tab, in the font group, we can make changes such as the increase font size or decrease font size or the font color, or we can also open the font dialog box and we can apply all sorts of font or character formatting through there. When you apply a theme, a default font is applied. For instance, when I go to Design, and I have a theme right now, but if I applied a different theme, a default font is applied to all of it. Size, font type, all of those things are applied. But you can adjust those in the font group as well that we had just talked about. Some of the font buttons contain live previews. When you have selected text, you can also use the mini toolbar. So when I select, for instance, character, the mini toolbar allows me also to make changes in the font or character formatting. The next level of formatting is in paragraph formatting. You can customize a paragraph formatting through the paragraph dialog box. Paragraph formatting is applied to the entire paragraph that you have your cursor in. So if I just click, I don't have to select anything necessarily. It's going to apply it to the whole paragraph. If I want more than one paragraph, for it to be applied to more than one paragraph, then I should select more than one paragraph. You can do this through the paragraph dialog box. In the Indents and Spacing tab, you can change the alignment to center, middle, right, justified, distributed. You can change your indentation. You can set a hanging or first line indent. You can change your line spacing as well as your spacing before or after the paragraphs. The next one is the bullets and numbering dialog boxes. For these, you can click in your bullet and you can get to the bullets and numbering dialog boxes to customize by clicking bullets and numbering, and that opens the dialog box. It also, if you click the numbered tab, would open that one. You can also get to the numbered dialog box by clicking the down arrow, go into bullets and numbering, and it will open the bullets and numbering dialog box as well to make any changes to bullets and numbering that you may want to change. The next one is Quick Styles. This allows you to, in the drawing group on the Home tab, this allows you to apply formatting to a placeholder quickly. It applies not just one formatting such as color, but it has a whole theme going with it that also applies the font type, the size, and the color, as well as some other styles such as the borders, the fill outline, and the effects. So to do Quick Styles, you click in a placeholder, go to Design, sorry, I went to the wrong tab, go to Home, and then in Quick Styles, choose one of the styles that you'd like to add to that. And that's a quick style. The next one is format background. Sometimes the background does not work for the slide that you're on. For instance, in this last slide, I have a lot of images, and I have already done this one, so I had turned off the background images for this one. You can go to the Format Background task pane. So on the Design tab over at the far right, Format Background. Notice this is checked. If I uncheck it, it turns that back on. And it's kind of hard to see the image. It really kind of distracts from it. So you can hide the background image from any of the slides or all of the slides if you want to. You could apply it to all. You can also change and use a picture for the background for just one slide, or for all of them you can change any type of fills that you would like to as well. You can also create new themes in the Create New Theme Colors dialog box. And this is under in the Design tab as well. Under Variants, if you click the More button and go point to Colors, you can go down to Customize Colors. And in Customize Colors, you can change any number of colors within the set of colors. So you can customize anything that you really want to. You can even name that customization. You can also create custom theme fonts with options in that dialog box. In the Design tab, point to the Fonts option and then clicking Customize Fonts. So right below Colors, and click Customize Fonts, and you can customize the fonts that you want to use for heading and body and set yourself like a theme for fonts as well. And this is the end of the Chapter 3 overview, which is on formatting slides.